Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. IELTS vocabulary. It's useful for working because this is IELTS vocabulary with topic work. Top 2 job share. To share the hours of work and the pay of one job between two people. Minimum wage. The meaning is the lowest wage that an employer is allowed to pay by law. Put knowledge gain into practice. Put knowledge gain into practice. The meaning to put to practical use the knowledge that you have acquired. To job share, jadi itu berbagi pekerjaan ya. Nah nanti gajinya tuh dibagi dua gitu. Kalau minimum wage itu gaji paling rendah yang dibayarkan kepada pegawai sesuai dengan hukum yang berlaku. Put knowledge gain into practice, menggunakan pengetahuan yang diperlukan untuk kegiatan pekerjaan. Labor productivity. The meaning is the rate at which a worker, a company, or a country produces goods and the amount produced compared with how much time, work, and money is needed to produce them. Unemployment benefits. The meaning, money paid by the government to somebody who is unemployed. To acquire experience, or knowledge or skill. The meaning, to gain experience or knowledge or skill by your own efforts or behavior. Health and safety in the workplace. The meaning, conditions which are safe and are not a danger to health in factories, offices, or other places where people work. Flexible working hours, meaning hours of work that can be changed by agreement between the employer and the employee. Jadi kalau flexible working hours itu waktu bekerjanya itu fleksibel, jam bekerjanya itu tergantung dengan kesepakatan bersama antara si pegawai dengan yang menggajinya gitu ya teman-teman. Oke, next, retirement package. The meaning, the money or other benefits that you receive from a company or organization when you stop working there because of your age. Jadi di sini uang yang didapat atau manfaat yang didapat setelah si pekerja itu pensiun ya. To take early retirement. The meaning, to stop working before reaching the age at which people usually stop working. Nah ini pensiun dini sebelum waktunya tapi sudah minta pensiun. Working mothers. Mothers who have to go out to work as well as to look after children. Ibu-ibu yang pergi keluar untuk bekerja sebagaimana dia perhatian terhadap anak-anaknya gitu. Jadi jam kerjanya cukup banyak ya teman-teman, atau mungkin pekerjaannya cukup banyak. Job prospect. The chances of being successful and having more opportunities at work. Kesempatan untuk hidup yang lebih baik, yang lebih sukses. Annual leave, a period of time when you are allowed to be away from work for a holiday or vacation. Jadi kalau annual leave itu cuti tahunan gitu ya teman-teman. Sick leave, the meaning, permission to stay away from work because of illness or injury. Izin dari bekerja dikarenakan sakit. Oke, next, continue. Promotion opportunities, chances to move to a more important position in a company or organization. Kesempatan untuk pindah ke tempat atau posisi yang lebih baik, yang lebih penting di suatu perusahaan atau organisasi. To move up the career ladder. The meaning is a series of stages by which you can make progress in your career. Jadi tahapan-tahapan yang membuat kamu bisa berkembang di karir kamu. To pursue a successful career, meaning to have a series of jobs in a particular area of work with more responsibility as time passes. To take a career break, a period of time when you do not do your usual job. For example, because you have children to care for. Jadi ini waktu untuk semacam cuti sementara, dikarenakan mungkin karena ngurus anak dulu gitu ya, maksudnya baru melahirkan gitu. Job satisfaction, the good feeling that you get when you have a job that you enjoy. Perasaan yang menyenangkan, yang bagus ketika kamu mendapat suatu pekerjaan dan kamu menikmatinya. To have no career ambitions, to have no desire to be successful or to move up the career ladder. Jadi ini hasrat, keinginan untuk tidak punya keinginan, maksudnya tidak punya keinginan untuk sukses atau untuk meningkatkan karir gitu. Supportive work colleagues, the meaning people that you work with who give you help and encouragement. Jadi orang-orang yang sekeliling kamu bekerja itu, di tempat kamu bekerja, yang suka menolong dan mendukungmu. Working environment, the conditions that you work in, kondisi di mana kamu bekerja. To be a good team player, the meaning to be a cooperative and work well as a member of a team. Anggota tim yang bekerja sebaik mungkin dan bisa diajak kerjasama gitu ya. A heavy workload, a lot of work that an individual employee has to perform. Banyak pekerjaan yang harus dilakukan oleh si pekerja untuk ditunjukkan. Labor intensive, the meaning is needing a lot of people to do it. Jadi membutuhkan banyak pekerja untuk melakukan itu. An internship, the meaning a period of time in which a student or new graduate gets practical experience in a job. Seperti magang gitu ya teman-teman, jadi murid atau mahasiswa yang ikutan bekerja. To dismiss somebody from something, to officially remove somebody from their job. Ini sama dengan seperti memecat gitu ya teman-teman. And the last, to have a steady job, the meaning is to have a job which you are unlikely to lose but which is usually the same routine. Ini pekerjaan yang mungkin kamu tidak sukai untuk hilang, tetapi bisa menjadi kebiasaan yang sama gitu. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you very much. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.